Hello again, this is Deanne from Small But Kinda Mighty, and this is a short introductory video to my Accessible Nature Journal. Don't forget to check out my website at smallbutkinda.mighty.com if you have children in your life or work with them, or if you crochet. I will link in the description box to the blog post where I talk more about the reason for the Accessible Nature Journal and the many ways in which it can be a beneficial and fun project for kids and adults to work on together. Please watch to the end of the video as I have an idea for another craft project we could incorporate into our spring theme, and I would love your feedback on it. So here's the journal. A lot of kids and adults too lack the fine motor skills and or the confidence to draw their observations in a nature journal. Each page in my journal is designed to demonstrate how you can record information in a way that doesn't require any drawing skills at all, but it does still work to develop confidence when it comes to artistic expression and developing fine motor and other skills. When Cat Hand released her latest mixed media morsel project, a snack bag book, it occurred to me that this would be perfect to use as an affordable, financially accessible nature journal. So I will link to her videos in the description box so you can see for yourself how she made hers. Essentially, I've made mine in the same way. I used hairbands for the closure, a file folder for the cover, glued some scrapbook paper on the outside and inside of the cover, and the inside journal pages are brown paper snack bags. I haven't yet finished putting together all the pages in the journal, so in my next video I will walk you through the finished one, outlining the techniques and the supplies I used for each page. Now, I mentioned earlier about another craft project I had an idea for. I've been fortunate enough to get a lot of constructive, really helpful feedback from educators, homeschoolers, parents and therapists who've taken a look at my playset and playset materials. One of them suggested sculpting using beeswax modelling clay because it would fit with the bees in the playset, and it's a great sensory activity. Now, Stockmar makes modelling beeswax, which you can get from Amazon, but her suggestion got me thinking. I've been meaning to order some beeswax for a while for a couple of different uses. Would you be interested in a video on making your own beeswax modelling clay? Let me know in the comments. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. I will see you soon.